Hi class, in this video I want to walk you through problem number 10 on your homework. It's actually kind of like a tricky question. So it says the given data represents the total compensation for 10 randomly selected CEOs and their company's stock performance in 2009. Analysis of the data reveals that the correlation coefficient is negative 0.1987. What would be the predicted stock return for a company's CEO who made 15 million in a company and what would the predicted stock return be for a company whose CEO made 25 million? So what this is saying here, this is why it's a trick question. When you click on this right here, click the icon to view the table of critical values here. What this is saying, when your sample size is 10, okay, for us to conclude that there exists a linear relationship here, or the two variables are linearly correlated, the absolute value of the correlation coefficient needs to be greater than 0.632. We see that it's not because it was negative 0.1987. So the absolute value of that is 0.1987. So it's not greater than this. So what that means is, look, if you want to predict the average stock return, okay, or the stock return for a company whose CEO made any money from this, you're just going to have to use the average. There's no other way around it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the data. You're going to open in Stack Crunch. And what you're going to do is you're going to want some summary stats, okay, from the columns, and you're just going to want to do the summary stats for the returns. And what we're seeing here is the mean is 17.4 when I round it. So I'm just going to put 17.4 in there, and that's what you're going to get. All right, it's the same thing here. Even if the CEO made $25 million, what we're seeing is that the salary they make and the stock return is not related at all, correlated at all. So for this problem here, you're always just going to use the average stock return. All right, class, hope that helps.